I'm Bob Johnson. I am a mobile locksmith. I do a lot of car dealer work and rental car centers, and I've run into an issue that seems to be occurring with a lot of 2018 and some late model 17 Nissan Altimas, where the car will not start. The remote control, which looks like this, will function. You can hit the lock button, can unlock the vehicle, and you get in the car, step on the brake, push the start button, and the dash will all light up for you, and hit the start button and the car shuts right off, and the doors again will lock. Again, turn the dash on, step on the brake, and now the car won't start. The common problem is a brake pedal switch. The contacts in there are very poor, and I think they need to be redesigned. I don't know if Nissan's aware of it yet. However, it is something that you can fix yourself. So if you have somebody else available, have them go out and check that when you step on the brake pedal, that the brake lights are coming on. If they're not coming on, then you'll know the car won't start because it's not seeing the brake pedal being depressed, which you know it is. If you look up under the dash, directly above the brake pedal itself, you will see this little switch right here, okay? And it's very, very easy to get to. Basically, if you twist this switch, it will come right out. And twist it counterclockwise. Boom, the switch is hanging. You can unplug this switch. Remove it. This is your problem, okay? Now, I've already checked with a couple auto parts stores as I run into this, as I mentioned, on 4 or 5 occasions. Because it's a new vehicle, a lot of parts departments, Nissan will have it, but a lot of AutoZone Advanced and whatnot do not carry this switch, okay? If you look, there's a little clip on that side and on the other side. You could take a small screwdriver, take the switch apart. It'll pop right out. Just be careful, hold it this way. Trying to get this down to where you, there you go. So you would just basically take this piece apart, and inside you will see a copper contact, and you will see black on the sides of it. That's the oxidation. That's why it's not making contact. I took the little contact out, the little copper piece, and I scraped it on the concrete, put it back in, and now this car is, brake pedal is fixed. Very simply, I am going to plug it back in. Okay. I pushed it right back in, turned it clockwise, and we should be good to go. So now, I'm just going to step on the brake pedal, push the start button, and we're off. I hope this helps.